కోవూరు రత్నం స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ బి నరేంద్రబాబు వేసవి కాలంలో పిల్లలు ఏ విధంగా ఉండాలి మరియు కరోనా జాగ్రత్తలు ఏ విధంగా తీసుకోవాలని G5 న్యూస్తో తెలియజేయడం జరిగింది.
Namaste every Indian. This is Narendra Babu, principal of Ratnam High School, Kovur. So I am very happy to meet you in this lockdown situation through G5 News. Entirely the world is stuck down for more than 2 months because of this effect of COVID-19. We don't know the root cause for COVID, but we are seeing daily, every day, we are listening the cases have been increasing, and also most of the people they are dying, especially the people who are dying because of this COVID-19 is more than 50. The age expectancy is more than 50 because this still the researchers are going on this root cause of this COVID-19. Still the vaccination is also not to come. To me, in this tough situation, especially students from play class to 10th class, so expect there is a chance of attacking this, you may be attacking with this COVID-19. For that, only thing which we everybody is saying, not only myself, the entire India is saying about the social distancing, whether you are on the road or in the market or wherever it may be, even in the home also. So it is better to, you may love your parents, but now the situation, you show your love just with your eyes, but you no need to feel, just maintaining social distances is very, very important. You may be you having a strong bond towards your mother, father and grandfather, but not only yourself. I request all the students also to get to create awareness for your grandfathers, great grandfathers, because they don't know. Almost to my knowledge, grandfathers mindset and below 5 years age kids, their mindsets are equal. So in this present situation, compulsory wearing masks and sanitizer for every 10 minutes you have to apply on the hands, and rubbing, you have to rub vigorously on the hands. This we have to do compulsory, whether we go or outside or meet anybody, outsider or strangers. Compulsory you have to. As a student, I feel very happy if you promote awareness for your relations also. So please take the food, especially avoid junk food. Take the food which is very, very helpful for your immunity system. This COVID-19 disease won't attack the people who are having the most immunity power. So right from the 2 months we have been seeing, even the United Kingdom Prime Minister also got attacked with this. So everybody, disease has no religion, especially this corona has no religion or no sex or no religionality or regionality feeling. So the entire universe, world is fighting with this corona. So we have to overcome this corona just by taking precautions only. No need to feel tense about also what is going to happen tomorrow. Nothing will happen if you are provided, if you follow 1 or 2 rules, especially social distancing and wearing masks. Wearing masks not only going when you go outside, even if you are inside also, whenever you are talking to anybody, it is must and should, when you have to talk to the people, those who are wearing masks. Not only you are wearing masks, those to whom you are talking also, you have to make them aware that they have to wear masks. Then only you have to talk. Better not to talk. There is, if emergency, only you talk. So I found this platform is very useful to me to meet all my students right from play class to 10th class of this Ratnam school, and I am extending my gratitude to all the parents. And for me, this lockdown compulsory, I am missing the students because teachers, even I get energy even whenever the school runs, whenever the students are going here and there. But even myself also, I am feeling boredom. But I am overcoming this boredom through just explaining the online classes, Hope everybody is following online classes teaching by your faculty concerned subject teachers. So even myself, I am also sending the videos related to physics. Follow this. Don't trouble your parents, because it is a really very tough task to get arrested in the house. But there is no other way. We have to be arrested in the homes only till we get clarity on this COVID-19. Until then, don't come out. Don't let others also come out. And whatever I said, please, the parents or students of mine, please promote this awareness to all your relations, to all Indians, whomever you feel responsible. This is the time where we have to prove our Indianity, our patriotism, through by saying some of the rules which even educated or uneducated, never mind. We have to see that all Indians should live healthily and they should be devoid of this COVID-19. Hope everybody will follow me. Thank you. Jai Hind.
మరెన్నో న్యూస్ అప్డేట్ కోసం G5 న్యూస్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ను యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి.